right, guys, thank you for hanging with me on this Mailbox Power training series. In this video, we're going to go ahead and do a quick rundown on how you can find and market to expired homeowners. Just like the FSBO training I did, this is a simple strategy. You're going to be marketing to what I would consider to be extremely valuable seller leads, and you're going to have information that will allow you to not only market to them through your postcard direct mail, but in some cases you can also set up multiple touch campaigns like email, text video. So just like I said in FSBO, you can get the information on expireds, cancels, and withdrawals from your MLS for free. Then you just simply search the tax record and you're good to go. So not a problem with that. If you want to use this strategy and you don't want to pay for a lead generating source to give you the leads, then just simply go to your MLS, look up the data, and you could be doing this literally daily. Guys, this is a steady stream of leads for you to be working. You know, a lot of agents say, oh man, if I could just get more leads, if I could figure out Facebook, guys, your MLS has all the leads you could ever want sitting there called expireds, cancels, and withdrawals, right? You just got to make sure they're not relisted or have sold. But there you go. What I choose to do is use a company called MyPlusLeads because they give me the data daily. I can even take the MyPlusLeads data and go back up to 3 years. Guys, here's a nugget. Most agents are not working old expired. So if you go back 6 months and can find a list of expireds in cities you want to work at, guys, I can almost guarantee you, and I'm not going to guarantee you, but I can almost guarantee you that you have no competition in marketing to them, right? So without further ado, what I use is MyPlusLeads, and there is a link below the video, 30-day free trial. Start getting your leads literally in your inbox today. But I use a company called MyPlusLeads, which is right here. And if you'll notice, every day I get new leads. Typically on a given month, I'm going to get over 150 seller leads complete with name, address. 80% of the time I'm getting email addresses, and almost all of the time I'm getting phone numbers, right? So today I got 3 FSBO leads and 2 expired. So I've already got 5 seller leads, guys, to work with. And my cutoff point is 250K. So I probably won't work with this one, but that is really up to you. For the purpose of this demonstration, what I would end up doing is I would take this information right here, Karnya's information, and if you'll notice, she's also not on the do not call list, so I can send her a text video. But I'm going to go ahead and grab her information, and I'm going to go into my Mailbox Power under address book. And guys, this is again something you should be doing every day. If you really want to get to 3, 4, 5 closings a month, this is a strategy you need to implement. I'm going to use the create a new contact, and when I put her into there, literally it just takes me a minute, I'm going to be able to now send her a postcard drip campaign. So let's go ahead and summarize this. You can get your data from the MLS. It just takes a little extra time weeding through it, or you can use a service like MyPlusLeads. I think I pay $59 a month for FSBO and expired data, about 150 leads a month. But what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go down here to my campaign builder and show you what I would end up putting this person on in terms of a drip campaign. So I've got an expired drip campaign, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's a 4 postcard campaign. This goes out over a 1-month period. It costs me $1.63 to market to that one individual. She is going to get 4 direct mail postcards from me in 1 month. Guys, this is how you get them calling you, right? So here's a sample of the first card that goes out, right? Here's a sample of the next card that goes out, and so forth and so on. $1.63, incredible. So without further ado, that is how you do expired marketing. Now, I will be sharing a video in just a little while in this series on how to set up that drip campaign. And can I tell you, it's when you see how easy it is to set up your drip campaigns, you're going to be blown away. So let's recap one more time. With your expired marketing, go ahead and set up your drip campaigns. Video's coming for that. It's very simple. Get your data into your dashboard, launch the campaigns. I literally, if I get, say I get 5 leads today that are expireds, in less than 10 minutes, I can have those leads inside Mailbox Power as a custom address. And with the push of one button, all 5 of those can be launched instantly. And I've only spent $1.63 per client. That's 5 times 4, that's 20 postcards going out. This is how I literally have them calling me. At some point, they're going to see my card. My fame will go before me. Your fame, your branding will go before you, and you'll start to get phone calls. And guys, you have to be consistent. Don't think you're going to send out 5 cards or 5, you're going to start 5 drip campaigns, 20 cards, and you're just going to get rich. This is a daily lifestyle. I know guys just concentrating on the expired or the FSBO niche, making 5, 6, 8, 10 million in GCI just by being consistent. All right, I hope that made sense to you. Look below the video. I'll give you the link for the MyPlus Leads if you want it. It's 30-day free trial, or you can get your expired data from your MLS. It's your choice. All right, I appreciate you, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.